This year has been a heck of a year for dandelions. Everywhere you go, you're going to see a little population of dandelions. On campus, we've had several little problems with them. There's a lot of reasons for that. We had a mild winter, it was dry. We must have had a good flowering of some dandelions last year because we had a lot of seeds get established over the summer and into the fall. And then we probably didn't do a very good job following up last fall, trying to get the small plants as they were just developing, which is the ideal time. August and September is a perfect time to do some weed control. So what do we do now? A couple of things to remember. First of all, each one of these plants can produce up to 20,000 seeds. So that's a lot of dandelions. So we want to try to control these. My first suggestion is make sure we're keeping them mowed. We don't want them flowering. We don't want them producing seeds. So if you do anything, that's the first thing you want to do. If you're able to, and you're able to use some herbicide control, a 3-way weed killer will really handle a lot of these and take care of them right now. And then you're going to want to follow up again this fall. If you decide to want to try to dig these, make sure you get down at least 4 or 5 inches. You want to get as much of the root as possible. You don't want to just take the tops off. So let's follow up with a little herbicide treatment, keep things mowed, some pre-emergent this fall and another round of spraying this fall. And we should have our dandelions under control, and hopefully next year it won't be yellow flowers everywhere.